Sitting on my LS tractor, falls right to the floor. Tractor won't go back or forth. There's a pin that fell out from underneath. Just figured to show you, and that's where it fell out. So I just wanted to do a follow-up on what I did to repair that floppy pedal. I'm guaranteeing there's probably other people with the same issue. But this shaft right here that I was showing you earlier, as you can tell, the pin fell out. I put the pin back in. I put some duct tape over it just to see what it would do. So this is the issue I had with my 2019 LS MT122. And it made the pedal extremely floppy, and it looks like it was just the pin worked itself out. I don't know if it's going to work itself back out, but I made a little clip of what I did for the repair, and this tractor has less than 10 hours on it, and I received it with 3.5 on it, so I really haven't put that much hours on it, and yeah, it kind of left me high and dry. But besides that, I'm very happy with it.